Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back on one of my favorite places to be on a Monday afternoon in Oklahoma. Yep, this is Tulsa. This is the Copart facility where you can make any one of these, well, most of these cars or trucks and SUVs and ATVs yours. You can park them in your garage. All you have to do is sign up, become a little member, not expensive. You get the money back after you decide not to be a member anymore, but you don't want to do that because you're going to get such a good deal. And you can bid on these cars, including very cool cars like this one that just stole my heart. Is there a car that says Monkey Wrench Mike more than an old Mercedes estate if you're in England, or a wagon if you're here in the US? Oh, here she is. Yep, a 1991 Mercedes 300 TE. Yeah, estate or wagon, depending on where you live. And I have been looking for one of these cars for a long time. I found one on Facebook as we walk around and take a look at some of the damage. So you're missing some of the window tinting there. I found it on Marketplace, and the guy was, it was his grandfather's, and he was waiting on the title to finally get changed over, I guess, to his name. You have to go through, I guess, his probate. Uh-oh. Is this the damage? Oh, doggone it. Nobody's gonna want you now. Oh, anyway, he was waiting on the name to get changed on the title, and that was over a year. Oh, this makes me really sad because you have obvious damage here. You have axle issues and control arm issues there. Scratches and faded paint I'm not worried about, but this I'm not worried about. But that's a game changer. Shoot, I should have held that till the last part of the video. I should have made you fall in love with the car and then shown you the damage. It's like people you meet online. You fall in love with them. Yes, you talk to them. You tell them all of your secrets, your best friends. I want to say cyber lovers, but I don't want to go that way. But you just find this great connection, and then you find out you've been catfished. Not that that's happened to me, because it hasn't. It really hasn't happened to me. But this car, oh, so disappointing. I like this paint is so thick, it'll come back. It'll come back and it'll work. It'll look beautiful. And the wheels are in good condition. And take a look at the Techs, MB Techs. They just last forever. Look at the headliner. Still lines the head. It's just the damage. Doggone it. Now I'm going to have to keep on waiting for the other car. I think it was in Kansas. The guy, he said he would let me know, and I keep messaging every couple of months, but he didn't respond to my last message. I hope he still has it. Oh my, 209,000 miles. These are amazing cars. The Straight Six is a great engine. Little cracking on the wood right there. All these cars have them. I think this is a nice little touch right here. You do get a little place to hold things. You don't get any cup holders in these. I don't know why Mercedes did that. I do know why. They wanted you to focus on the road, not on your Coca-Cola, your big gulp. But this, oh, this is really disappointing. So, do we even try to start it? Do we even look at the engine? You think it's still going to run? Of course it's going to run. It's a Mercedes. From this era, these things run forever. Let's go ahead and look at the engine. Let's just look. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. There it is. The engine that runs forever and ever and ever. 91. So this is the KE Jetronic. Underneath this, there is a world, a whole new world for you to discover, like what's under my 1985 190E. I have a straight 4. This is a straight 6. Easy to work on, super easy access to everything. Most things are operated with these little vacuum lines, and they're easy to fix. You can get the line, it's flexible. You just mold it wherever you want it to go. Interstate battery, that's a good sign. Oh, really, I really wanted this car. I can't tell you how much I've wanted one of these. Just because they're different. I had the 300E, I had the Oh. Is there oil? We don't have any oil. I had the 260E, and they were great cars. They really were. Ugh. I think we've leaked all of our oil out. Do I see any leakage underneath on the rocks? Wow, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe there is a little bit of oil in here. Let's just see what happens. We'll give her a quick little turn of the key and to see what happens. I love this. How they used to put stickers when this car was serviced right there. Yeah, if you get a whole bunch of stickers, the car was very well maintained. Let's just kind of see what's happening here. That's a good sign. We do have gas. Yeah, she won't even... Is she locked up? Yeah, this engine is toast. Dadgummit. Yeah, she won't even try. So the engine's locked up. I am so sorry. She was good. 8 of 26 of 22. Getting her 15W40 oil changed. But not anymore. This is sad. I am... All right, little girl. I'm sorry. We're going to continue with our Mercedes kind of wagon-esque theme right here. This is a 2015 Mercedes GLA250 that would be an easy fix. Yeah, this would not involve a whole bunch of work. I think you could do this very quickly, very easily. I like the white. I love the low fat stance. I like that. It looks muscular. It really does. This is the 4MATIC, so it's 4-wheel drive. And I like the white. I really do. As far as what you need, well, she took a little hit right here, but nothing major. This is your upper frame rail right here. There's nothing major here. This is all okay. This is all okay. So you need a bumper, a headlight. Your wheel is probably inside if it's still good. It may not be. And you need right there. Yeah, you need a strut. And I think that would be all. Well, maybe a sway bar. Maybe. Because this isn't damaged. And the headlight just goes right here. Not too expensive. You could maybe even make some money if you wanted to flip this car. Yeah, tires are good Continentals. Fair amount of tread, not a whole bunch left. What I am worried about is the smell. So let's just kind of see what's going on here. I like the back. Oh, well, maybe that's why it's biohazard. Maybe the baby pooped. Could that be it? I don't know. There's your wheel. There's part of your bumper right there so you can get the part numbers from it. I don't know if the wheel looks, it could be bent. We'll take another look at it very, very quickly. But I want to get inside because I heard a bell and I want to see if she'll start. See? Here we go. Now I can't sit. Oh, there's your fender. Okay. Oh, there's a definite fruity smell. Okay, let's put that right there. And let's just see what's going to happen. It says, don't forget your key. You get 2 keys. That's a bonus. And she starts right up. She starts right up. Collision Prevention Assist Plus is inoperative. They were listening to 106.1. Okay, that's all right. We'll turn that off. That's all. Oh, we have a check engine light and a tire pressure. Yeah, because the tire's in the back seat. That's not difficult. That's not difficult at all. Let's take a look at the engine very quickly. Where's the pole? They have been using these little red poles forever. Forever. Since the early 2000s. Engine sounds pretty good. Here we go. Well, somebody's been poking around in here, but that's okay. Orange coolant. Looks orange. Brake fluid looks a little bit dark back there. The engine does wobble a little bit. These aren't the best engines in the world. A lot of people don't like them at all. But it doesn't seem to be doing too terribly bad right now. See? I don't think this is bent. I think everything is fine up here, even the radiator. You're gold right here. Just the parts that I talked about. Oh, and you need your little trim piece right here. I bet it's in the back. Let's see what else they have for us right here. Here it is. Okay. Well, there's the reason the tire's in here. I don't know if that's salvageable. I don't know, you maybe could fix it, get somebody to kind of weld it back straight. I used to know a guy here in Tulsa that would weld my S63 wheels all the time because they were always getting beat up. Thank you for opening. And there's all your parts. You even get the headlight, which, is this damaged? I don't think this is damaged. I think this survived the crash. So take that off of our list. That looks nice. Well, that's a plus. That's a great big plus. Here's your wheel arch. Some of the pieces inside you could probably reuse. And we have a drawing. What is this? Peter heals a man. God heals me. Psalm 30, verse 2. There you go. That's a good sign right there. Look how much they stuffed in the back of this car. Okay, lower, 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 lower. Here we go. That's it. Yeah, you could fix this car very inexpensively, and I didn't see anything that would be biohazardly other than the smell. So, I'm gonna put this on my list because this will be a very easy fix, and that's what you can do. If you want to come here and check out these cars, you're gonna find a good one just like this, where all the windows work, and you just buy a couple of bolt-on parts and a strut, maybe a wheel, and you are gold. You are gold. What's the mileage on this thing? Check daytime running light, check washer fluid, 131,000 miles for a 2015. Not bad at all, and it runs good. Okay. This is something we're going to think about. Got all my parts right here that I need. Okay, next vehicle. I am so sorry, but we're going to have to stick to the Mercedes theme because this is a beast. Brabus with the B, 800, 2016, I believe, Mercedes CLS63AMG V8 bi-turbo 4MATIC Plus supercar. Look at this. She was going way too fast and she hit something. I've been Googling. I want to say 800 horsepower. That's why the 800, because there was a Brabus 850 and it had 850 horsepower. Top speed, I read for the 850, I think was 215 miles an hour. So somewhere around there for this thing. On Continentals, there's more damage here on the side. And there almost no tread left, understandably so, back there. But check this car out. Oh my goodness, look at this. Yes, yes, yes. Everything you could ever want right here. And I think we might even have power, which I don't even, no, maybe we don't. I don't think we do. Okay, let's just see what happens. We've said a little prayer to the Brabus gods. Let's just kind of see what's going to happen. Oh, she's alive. And she sounds good. Let me hold the microphone out there so you can hear. Can you hear the exhaust in the back? Wow. That's a treat right there. Okay, so when I'm putting this together, I will Google this and find out exactly how this all works, because this is pretty incredible. Let's go home. Go to vehicle. 360 camera. Maybe it doesn't work. Here we go. Highlights. How cool is this? Sportiness, intelligence. Okay, I could be in here all day. I really could. AMG button. What does that do? Oh, we went to Sport Plus. The idle went up a little bit. Yeah. Wow. Okay, we just got to watch the temperature. Very little gas left in this thing. Can you hear the yeah, listen to this. Yeah, that's carbon fiber. Carbon fiber around the exhaust right there. Oh, Mikey likes. Mikey loves. The engine up front is very, very quiet. The exhaust is the money maker. Holy crap. So we're going to Google this as we put the video together. I'll put the horsepower and top speed and the torque on the video as well, okay? But this is it, a 2016 Mercedes CLS63AMG Brabus 800. That's a name. You think this car fits me? I fit this car very well. I love this car. Holy crap. Yeah, Mikey likes. All right, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you like Mercedes. You got a triple dose of them in this one right here, but this is not the only mark they have at Copart. They have everything you could ever want, so please come and check them out. All right, folks, we're back with another video very, very soon. I'm gonna play in this car for a little while. Just kind of imagine with my paddle shifters, I could be going over 200 miles an hour. Woo! Okay, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next video very, very soon, folks. Have a great day. Okay, bye-bye.